Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, we are in for another super fine day. We have high pressure in charge, and that's going to give us plenty of sunshine, and that sunshine is going to help get these morning temperatures that right now are hovering right around 50 degrees, well into the 70s for this afternoon. So here's where we are right now. We've got 50 in Providence. We're matching that one out on Block Island, 51 for Newport and Smithfield, 52 in Westerly, and we've got 45 currently in New Bedford. So temperatures are cool, but technically about 4 to 5 degrees warmer than average. Now, our winds are generally light to calm. Our wind direction is actually pretty chief in our forecast today. We're generally driving in air from the west. And a westerly wind here in southern New England tends to be a warm wind direction. So we're going to combine our day full of sunshine with this warm wind direction, and that means temperatures that should top out around 77 in areas away from the coast. So our satellite radar is checking clear, and as we zoom out, we see more of the same. And that's kind of the point. We have this huge area of high pressure in charge, and that's going to keep the clouds at bay for most of the day. I say most of the day because there is a chance that we're going to make our own clouds just through the heating of the day. And those clouds may in turn make for a pop-up shower. So that's possible as we hit about the 5-6 o'clock hour. You may see a couple of clouds, and there is a chance of an isolated shower, but it's not a guaranteed thing. And because of the isolated nature of the showers, a lot of us aren't going to see anything at all. Now, tomorrow morning, there is a slight chance of an early isolated shower. And once again in the afternoon through the heating of the day, a chance of another isolated shower. You get the idea. Most of us, though, are going to see this as a continuation of the dry stretch. Now, I know I keep talking about the wildfire smoke. That's been going on up in Canada, and because of that, it has been giving us some reddish sunsets, and it's also giving us like a hazy look to our sky. And that's because it's being driven into our area because of the jet stream. Now, you'll notice this cloudy area, this is the model projection of our dealing with the wildfire smoke. And as we go through today, it pushes it away. So we are looking to change this situation. It's just going to take today to get there. And as we go to tomorrow, we should be out of the woods in terms of having to deal with that. So if you happen to also suffer from allergies, know that our pollen levels are going to remain high until we can get a good rain in here. And that's not expected to happen even as we go through the weekend. Sure, we've got a cold front coming through Saturday and a Sunday, which will knock things down just a little bit, but we're still going to be in the high category. And our top allergens, well, it is tree pollen season. So if you do suffer from a tree pollen allergy, this is not an awesome time for you at all. So our forecast for today, tons of sunshine. Temperatures will be coming up. We'll be in the 60s for the commute and the 70s by lunchtime. Look for a high ultimately topping out near 77, and there are popping up some clouds after 3 p.m. with that slight outside chance of picking up a late day shower. For most of us, we're going to see it as a mostly sunny and warm day. Look for a high of 79, a little bit cooler along coastal areas. Winds will be moving in from the southwest at about 3 to 8 miles per hour. Your forecast for tonight, partly cloudy. Wind will be out of the southwest, again, really light. And then our extended forecast shows Mother's Day, where temperatures finally cool down to more seasonable levels. Should be a pleasant one for Mom with plenty of sunshine. And again, those ideal cooler temperatures. Tara Lynn?
Beautiful.